In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlink your bank in QuickBooks Online Accountant. We'll walk through the exact steps you need to follow so you can safely disconnect a bank or credit card feed from your QuickBooks file without adding any confusion or extra complexity. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what each option means, and what happens after you disconnect the account. First, sign in to your QuickBooks Online Accountant account and head over to the main left-hand navigation menu. Depending on your version or layout, you may see either a bookkeeping section or a direct banking or transactions section. If you see bookkeeping, click that first and then choose transactions. In some views, the menu might just say banking. Either way, your goal is to open the page that shows your connected bank and credit card tiles. Once you're on the banking or transactions page, you'll see a series of tiles or cards across the top, each one representing a connected bank or credit card account. Take a moment to carefully locate the tile for the specific account you want to disconnect. This might be a checking account, a savings account, or a credit card. Double-check the bank name and the last few digits of the account if they're displayed, just to be sure you're working with the correct one. Now, look in the upper right corner of that account tile for a small pencil icon. This pencil is your Edit button. Click the pencil, and a small drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, select the option that says Edit Account Info. This will open a new window or panel where you can adjust the settings for that bank account inside QuickBooks. Inside the Account Info window, scroll or look carefully until you see an option labeled Disconnect this account on Save. This is usually a checkbox. To begin the disconnection process, click that checkbox so it's selected. What this does is tell QuickBooks that when you save these changes, you want it to stop pulling in new transactions from this bank or credit card. When you're ready, go down to the bottom of the window and click Save and Close. QuickBooks will process your changes. After this, the account will remain in your chart of accounts and your past transactions will stay in place, but QuickBooks will no longer automatically download new activity from that bank or credit card.